Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Hobbit channel. I'm Jeanette, I'm an artist and a rehab designer. Today's video features new in the shop items, hand painted, checked, potted florals, faux florals to go in your home for the spring. These pots are just under 4 inches in diameter and they're hand painted with the black and white checks, trimmed in vintage gold, each with the faux jasmine florals. Now one is about 8 inches tall and the other is about 6.5 inches tall. And you'll also see a difference in the potted decor in that one has a smaller check pattern and the other one has a larger check pattern. So these will go great together. You can mix and match them or just choose, one if you prefer one over the other. Be sure to check out my other items. We have Patio wind catcher decor, more home decor in the check pattern faux florals, and a couple of new pieces that are a little out of the ordinary, like a hand-painted checked nightlight, and another one is a collectible music box, vintage music box. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you want to see more items new in the shop, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. We will see you on the next one.